In this video, I want to demonstrate how to make a detailed view. So in this case, I'll just zoom in here. I'm going to make a detailed view of this section because the part is quite small and I would like it to be larger. So from the drawing ribbon, I'm going to select Detail View. If there were a thread, then I would want to turn on the high quality or draft quality of the cosmetic thread, but there isn't for this. And you'll notice my mouse now shows me I'm about to create a circle. So I get near where I'd like the center of the detail view to be and click, and then I drag out to create the circle and click again. Then I'm going to zoom out a bit and I'll move down and click to place the section view. Now if I don't like the letter G, as with any of my section views or detail views, I can change it over here. I can also tell it not to put an outline or to do the full outline or a jagged outline. I can also scale the hatch pattern and choose the scale for this view. For now, I'm going to accept this. And if I don't like this scale, if I would like it to be larger, I'll just select the view, and the view properties comes back, and I can scroll down and I can change the scale to whatever I feel is appropriate. So if I want it 12:1 rather than 8:1, I could choose that. And the view will update. I'll say OK, and I'll just fix this a bit, and I've created a detail view of this